Did you know that most of us use only 1/5 of our lung capacity? Shallow breathing, though it may seem simple, is actually the cause of fatigue, stress, and even premature aging of our cells. But here's the good news. With just a few minutes of deep breathing each day, you can detoxify your body, rejuvenate your cells, boost your energy, and enjoy deeper sleep. In this video, I'll share with you the miracles of deep breathing and guide you step by step on how to practice it correctly. So stay with me until the end. Benefits of deep breathing. Deep breathing is not just relaxation, it's a powerful formula for health and youth. By practicing it daily, you can detoxify your body and strengthen your immune system, rejuvenate your cells and slow down the aging process, strengthen your lungs and heart and balance blood pressure, reduce stress and anxiety and bring peace to your mind, increase your energy and sharpen your focus, improve the quality of your sleep, support weight management and boost metabolism, relieve pain and muscle tension. And here's something very important. Deep breathing helps you manage uncontrollable emotions. Sometimes, in moments of anger, people may do things that harm themselves or others. Some get so overwhelmed by grief and sadness that they stop moving forward and fall into depression. Even excessive joy can lead to behaviors that later bring regret and embarrassment. Consistent deep breathing calms and balances your emotions. This is one of the hidden miracles of this powerful practice. And one more note. In our previous video, we shared another golden formula for health and youth. Watching that video and combining it with this method can give you even greater results. So be sure to check it out after this one. How to practice deep breathing. Now let's practice together. 1. Find a quiet place and lie on your back, placing your hands on your stomach. 2. Slowly inhale through your nose, filling your belly for about 3 to 5 seconds. 3. Hold your breath for 3 seconds. 4. Gently exhale through your mouth, completely emptying your lungs, for about 3 to 5 seconds. 5. Continue this cycle for 5 to 10 minutes. The best times are in the morning and before sleep. It's best to practice while sitting or lying down. Soft music or the sounds of nature can help you focus. Making it a daily habit. Just a few minutes a day is enough to feel the difference. In the morning, deep breathing recharges you with energy. At night, it calms your mind and prepares you for deep sleep. With consistency, you'll soon notice clearer skin, better digestion, greater peace of mind, and more balanced emotions. Conclusion. Deep breathing is free, simple, and incredibly powerful. If you practice it every day, your body will detoxify, your cells will rejuvenate, your stress will decrease, and both your energy and focus will increase. Every morning, take 10 minutes of deep breathing with love and feel the change. Share your experience in the comments, and if you'd like to discover more formulas for health and youth, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join us, and with just one deep breath, create a healthier, more energetic, and younger version of yourself.